Get your heart pumping on Section 4 of the Chattooga River. Wildwater guides you through some of the most challenging technical whitewater in the East. Flowing along the South Carolina-Georgia border, it's a thrilling ride through stunning scenery. Rafting trips are limited on this national wild and scenic river. Each trip feels like a private journey in an extraordinary setting. When you play the Wildwater way, you get the best guides, service, equipment, and facilities. Wildwater, river runners for 3 generations.